Alright, here we are. Finally doing a video I said I'd do. We are putting the second generation LS400 brakes on the GS. So here they are, mounted. They literally use the exact same hardware, a 17mm. They go in the same holes. You don't need any adapters. And there's the old rotor. You can see it's like, I mean, not even next to each other. You can see they're smaller. Let's see if I can put this on here. Oh, back. Alright, there we go. Yeah. It's like an inch bigger, you know? But in brakes, that means a lot. So the other side's already done. So we're just doing this side, bleeding it. Got part numbers for everything you need. Here's the part number for the brake line you need. And I just use Stop Tech everything because they're actually, you know, decent brakes. I mean, yeah, the pads might be $100, but whatever. There's your part numbers. Now, let me get this put together and show you all that. Alright guys, we're done putting the brakes on. Here they are. They look, well, they're black, so they're kind of hard to see, but in IRL, your eyes can see them. So those need to be black now too, because that looks fucking sick. Just a lot cleaner, and that's an obviously big rotor. Like bigger rotor. So that's fucking cool. I made a big ass mess. Throw this over here. Yeet. But yeah, while you're doing this, make yourself one of these little guys. You know, just a water bottle with a random hose in it to bleed your brakes. I just poked a hole in it and that's it. And you gotta poke a little carb hole in it too so it can breathe. But yeah, that is old brake fluid. That is very bad. I probably should have done that a long time ago. But yeah, that shit looks fucking sick. I need to put my big wheels back on, but yeah, I'm gonna go drive this thing, make sure it actually fucking works so I don't die. And yeah, a little video. And I'm sorry about the last video. I thought I had that shit like the screen sideways, and I guess I didn't, so it looks like ass, so that's my bad. But I'll try to remember to keep doing it this way, because this is the way it's supposed to be, and it looks way better. And you can do like full screen and shit. But yeah. There you go, this is a complete bolt-on thing. You don't have to modify anything, you just buy those parts I listed and put them on. And then bleed your brakes, because you're gonna have to do that when you put brakes on. And you can see my brakes, my pads were, you know, that's close to 3 mil. They're pretty worn. I mean, I had a bad vibration in this one anyway. Steering wheel is shaking its ass off. But yeah, there you go. I'm gonna go drive this thing. See you.